welcome back to the vlog. So a huge update is that finally I am vaccinated. It feels like a huge shoulder that has been lifted off of my shoulders. So I'm touching this arm because this is where I got vaccinated 2 days ago. Definitely I had like zero side effects. I had like mild hand pain. It wasn't mild. So my hand was throbbing for the most part. Other than that, I was completely fine. So yeah, that's the update. I'm so happy, feel so responsible. Nose update. This definitely has I have very sensitive skin, so I knew that this was going to happen. So yeah, but I'm not too bothered about it because I feel it will fade away in some time. Anyways, that's the update. I am starting this vlog on a Wednesday instead of a Monday because I wasn't feeling like vlogging for the past 2 days because I was just, in a rest zone. So yeah, I'm excited to vlog, excited to start vlogging again from today. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yes. 5:15. I usually stop working at 5:45, 6. And usually by this point I am so burnt out. And yeah, I try to finish the more brain consuming tasks in the morning, because by the end of the shift I cannot do anything that's like too mentally challenging, because I just have like zero energy left for that. And yeah, so question of the day, how in what state are you by the end of your workday? Also, after this, I desperately want to get a vlog up. I haven't uploaded in some time. With this, I just need to be more gentle with myself, because I have a normal work job, and I know a lot of people manage 3 to 4 things together, but I'm not one of those people. And also with the podcast, it's already so difficult to manage all of these 3 things together. So I am not putting a proper schedule on my vlogs, just trying to upload whenever I feel like uploading. I will try to vlog throughout the week and then see how it goes. So yeah, I'm not going by any proper schedule or anything, is what I'm trying to say. So hopefully I will get that done, but before that I need to get out of the house, because it's just so frustrating to sit in the house and just like, not lounge around, but like work inside. It's difficult to do that. And I ordered a suitcase which I want to stitch, so I need to go and drop that to a tailor, and I need to buy a few things for my sisters. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Also, I wasn't looking at the camera this whole time. Weird. Anyways, yes, I'll see you in a bit. This is the dress piece that I ordered. This is so flattering. I love the red and the black together. So cool. So yeah, really hope that this looks good. And then this is another dress that I ordered. Again, these both are from Meesho. Lately been obsessed with this app. Well, I have heard a mixed review about Meesho. So far I like it. I will say though that the quality, it's definitely more of a daily wear. So if you're looking for high quality clothes, then definitely consider something else. But for daily wear, this is really good. Or you could do another thing, is that you can order cheap clothes from Meesho and then have it stitched one more time, so that it's secure and stays in place and lasts for a long time. So that is how I feel. I definitely recommend this app. This is not sponsored, but I definitely recommend it. I need to do something about my hair, get ready, and then we'll go. Look, I just wrapped my hair in a ponytail and I'm wearing this dress, and we're ready to go. I am so annoyed. The whole day it wasn't raining, and now that I want to go out of the house, it feels like it's going to rain. I'm done with monsoon. Also, I killed this very amazing plant. This was going to happen because I'm one of those people. I feel like I'm gonna do something so amazingly, and I'm so excited about it for the first 3 days, and then that's the result. Like this video if you are like me. Hi guys, it's the next day. So I am in the kitchen and I'm preparing keema. I was going to the chicken keema, but it's mutton keema. But first things first, Indian men hockey team won a bronze medal. Wow, what a moment! I'm so happy. To celebrate that, we are making mutton keema. I have started by simply sauteing प्याज, टमाटर, अदरक and लहसुन with green mirchi, and I'll just add my masalas into this, and then I'll finish by adding the keema, and I'll show you the after.